Welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Guides. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you can use AI to make money online. The possibilities are endless, and with the advancements in AI, the opportunities are only increasing. So, stick around and I'll give you some tips and resources to get started. First things first, let's talk about what AI is. AI is the simulation of human intelligence by machines. It's becoming more and more integrated into our daily lives, and it's no secret that you can use it to make money online. One of the most obvious ways to use AI for financial gain is in e-commerce. By integrating AI into your online store, you can provide a more personalized shopping experience for your customers, recommend products based on their browsing and purchasing history, and even optimize pricing to increase sales. This can lead to a more engaged customer base and ultimately, more revenue for your business. Another way to use AI for financial gain is through online advertising. By using AI to target advertising to specific demographics and improve ad performance, you can increase the effectiveness of your advertising campaigns and ultimately drive more sales. And with the rise of ad fraud, using AI to detect and prevent fraudulent activity can also save you money in the long run. AI can also be used for content creation, such as generating written or spoken content like articles, videos, and podcasts. This can save time and resources for content creators, and also open up new opportunities for monetizing that content. Another way to use AI to make money online is through social media management. By using AI to help businesses manage their social media accounts and engage with customers, you can save time and resources while also increasing the reach and effectiveness of their social media presence. For those with a background in finance, AI can also be used for trading. By developing trading algorithms and making predictions about financial markets, you can potentially earn a significant return on investment. AI can also be used for virtual assistants, such as automating tasks and providing customer support. This can save businesses time and resources while also improving the customer experience. And finally, you can also create and sell AI-based products and services, such as chatbots, predictive models, and voice assistants. By identifying a need in the market and developing an AI solution to meet that need, you can create a sustainable business model and earn a significant income. It's important to have a clear understanding of the technology and its potential applications. It may be helpful to start by identifying a specific problem or opportunity that you want to address with AI, and then researching the different tools and techniques that can be used to solve it. Additionally, it is important to stay up to date on the latest developments in AI and related fields, such as machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. Consult with experts in the field before taking any action, and also consider the legal and ethical implications of using AI in business. Keep in mind that using AI to make money online requires a significant investment of time and resources, and success is not guaranteed. As with any business venture, it is important to conduct thorough research and seek the advice of experts before taking any action. I hope this video has been helpful and has given you some ideas on how you can use AI to make money online. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more amazing content.